The following animation shows a simulation of a typical cough and was produced using computational fluid dynamics techniques. Aerosols are produced in the respiratory tract and released into our environment when we cough. These small particles vary in size and can carry viruses such as COVID-19. The aerosols follow different trajectories depending on their size, as shown here by the different colours. While larger aerosols fall to the ground rapidly, smaller aerosols are carried significant distances by the exhaled air when we cough. These typically evaporate within about 2 seconds and can form what we call droplet nuclei. These very tiny particles can still carry the virus and can remain airborne in the room for many hours.